In today's video, I'm going to teach you about navigating the app and making the most out of its many powerful features. Let's dive right in with the home screen, your starting point whenever you launch the app. Here you'll find an overview of your total balance, your favorite cryptocurrencies, and some market trends to keep you informed and ready to make your next move. As we move on, let's access the accounts section. This is your go-to place for managing different types of wallets. You can effortlessly navigate between your fiat wallet, crypto wallet, and any other accounts you have linked, making it super easy to keep track of all your funds in one place. Thinking about expanding your portfolio? The buy-sell section is where you want to be. Whether you wish to buy or sell cryptocurrencies, this section supports various payment methods to match your convenience, making transactions not just secure but also straightforward. Next, let's talk about the pay and transfer feature. It's a versatile tool allowing you to pay for goods, transfer crypto to friends, or send it to external wallets. This function empowers you to handle your crypto with ease, all while maintaining control over your finances. If you're looking into adding or withdrawing funds, the Deposit Withdraw tab is crucial. Here, you can add or withdraw cryptocurrencies and fiat currencies, ensuring that your funds are where you need them to be when you need them. Exploring some key features. Buying crypto starts you on a smooth journey to acquiring your desired digital currency. You just navigate to the buy section, select your cryptocurrency of choice, and enter the desired amount. It's simple and efficient. Interested in cashing out? The selling crypto option is just as easy to navigate. Head to Sell, choose the cryptocurrency you wish to part with, select your preferred fiat currency, and confirm your transaction. For those looking to add funds from another wallet, depositing crypto is straightforward. Select Deposit, choose Crypto, pick your cryptocurrency, and follow the instructions to transfer your funds. When it comes to withdrawing either crypto or fiat, the process is similarly intuitive. Go to Withdraw, pick the currency you want, and follow the detailed instructions provided. Transferring crypto to others is seamless using the Pay and Transfer section, whether you're sending to friends or moving funds to external wallets. Consider maximizing your crypto assets with Crypto.com. Earn by staking your cryptocurrencies for passive income. And don't forget to check out Crypto.com Supercharger to participate in token events and earn rewards. Finally, here are some tips to optimize your app experience. Always enable two-factor authentication for enhanced security. Linking your bank account to your fiat wallet streamlines the deposit and withdrawal process. Keep an eye on the market section to track cryptocurrency prices and discover new coins. And if you're inviting a friend, remember that referral codes are a handy way to score bonuses when signing up. This wraps up our tutorial on navigating the app. Use these insights to optimize your crypto adventures and stay ahead in the market. Thanks for watching and happy trading.